A very good greeting to everyone. I'm Shreya and this is my groupmate Keshitra, Harish and Avashan. All of us study in SMK Sultan BADLISHAH in Kulim Kedah, and our teacher in charge is Cikgu Siti Rohana.
Look here. Look at how much kitchen waste our canteen is throwing out every day.
Oh yeah, right. I think we should do something about it. Yeah, let's go.
Guys, Asna and I and Afshan are walking around the school. We saw so much kitchen waste.
Yeah, it's true. I think we should do something about it.
Really? I remember our teacher telling we can change those waste into electricity.
Yeah, we should do that because non-renewable electricity gives more impact.
I think we should create a project that uses kitchen waste to turn into energy in an eco-friendly way.
Really? How does that work?
What is the problem statement? Every day we throw away food scraps like peels and leftover, but we don't realize that they can be used to make electricity. At the same time, using non-renewable electricity gives a lot of impact to Earth. What if we could turn trash into a tiny power plant?
How does it work? This is like a fruit battery but powered by decaying organic matter. The kitchen waste ferments and creates a chemical reaction between aluminium and copper, generating a small electric current. This current is enough to light an LED. What is our innovation idea? BioGlow Cell is a DIY bio battery made from kitchen waste and simple household materials that can generate enough electricity to light up an LED. It's easy to build, teaches basic science, and makes you rethink waste.
The advantages of these products are reducing kitchen waste. It turns food scraps into something useful, helping with composting and waste sorting. Second, creates green energy, generates a small amount of electricity enough to power things like LED lights. Third, is easy and affordable, made from simple everyday materials, no expensive parts or tools needed. Lastly, it grows with your needs. You can connect more jars to get more power as needed.
This is a sketch we have prepared for a better understanding. Basically, you put in the kitchen waste with a little bit of water. Then, we poke two small holes on the lid. We insert two copper wire, one of it will be wrapped with aluminum foil. We must make sure both of the wires don't make contact. This will make a chemical reaction between the wires and produce electricity. After a few days, we will connect the outer ends to our LED light. Copper wire will be positive and the aluminum as negative. This product can be used as an emergency light when there is no electricity, and it is eco-friendly. Lastly, the cost and prices. We only need 5 things. Firstly, wire, which is going to cost 2 ringgit 70 cents. Then, we need aluminium foil, which is 8 ringgit 50 cents. Besides that, we need a pair of scissors, which is 2 ringgit 70 cents, or you can use your school scissors. We need a round plastic container, which is going to cost 1 ringgit and 20 cents. Furthermore, we need an LED light, which is 5 ringgit and 90 cents. Lastly, kitchen waste, which is free. You can take from your school canteen or after your mom is done cooking. The total is only gonna cost 21 ringgit and 10 cents, and you can buy all of these things at our nearest Mr. DIY shop.